Hello everyone, this is Subnautica game and I want to show you how to change language in this game, so stay with me and enjoy watching. So at first we have to press here on options, and in the first tab, general, we have the first option, language. We can use this option to change our language in any language we want to use. That is all, of course, supported by a game. I show you all, I think. And we should be back in English. Yeah, so if you want to change, just click apply and it will change instantly. So that is all for this video. I hope you like it and leave a comment. Also subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye.